Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class. So this time we are going to learn about data presenting, okay? So data is pretty simple. Like whenever you see the table, we consider it as data, okay? So question number 1, what's the question saying? Find the rate of change. Another name rate of change is slope, as you can see. And you know what to do, right? Like y minus y1. No. What am I doing? I'm sorry, guys. I'm stupid. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So x1, x2, y1, y2, and just put this one into the decimals, right? Or you can do it by hand, like 16 minus 9 is 6 over what? Negative 12 minus negative 20. Just if you make a mistake, I believe your mistake is going to be about this part, okay? So that's it. Just put this one into the decimals and you can do it. Now, what about this question? It says what? Which one of this equation represents this situation, right? So what you can do, we talked about it last time when I was teaching linear equation. You find the slope, and then so you use this one. And then after you find slope, you use y minus y1 equals slope x minus x1. You use this information, right? That's what you can do. But there's another way. So if you use decimals, we have something cool features. So here we go. Whoa. What am I doing? So here we go. So I have this one. Whoa. What the? Skip. Oh, no, not this one. So here we have some cool features. Where is it? Okay. Sorry, guys. So here, whenever you see table, you can use this one. So you just put this number in 1, 3, 6, 7, 21, 15, 6, 3. So you have this line, right? And then what you can do is you put every single one of this and see which one is true. So for example, let me put f first. Y equals, remember, instead of n, you have to put x, negative 3x plus 24. Oh, looks like this is the answer because looks like it crosses out exactly in the middle here. So I think it's f. But just in case, guys, just in case, you might want to try another one as well. So y equals negative 1/3 x plus 16. So that's not it. And the other one is plus 8. Nope. And what? Negative 3x plus 64. No, none of them, right? So that's what you can do. Same thing here. You just put this one into the decimals. Like you put number on the top in the x values and number in the bottom is in the y values, like in the table like this. You just put negative 7.5, like negative 3.5, like that, and put every single one of them and see which one matches. So same thing. This one is gonna be quadratic, okay? This is gonna be quadratic. So let me show you this. If you want to put this one, you don't have to put every single one of them. You can just put maybe 5 or 10. That should be enough. But $25, but 30, 35, and what is it? 4, 3, 2, 3. Wow, it's a big number. 4, 4, 4, 0, 4, 3, 1, 3, 3, 9, 4, 0. That one is what? 3, 3, 2, 3. So this one you might have to So I don't even know. Okay, what should I do? Yeah. Okay, it looks like this. No. So you just expand it a lot. That's what I wanted to just zoom out. So it looks like this. So if the graph does not look right, you can just always move it like that. That's fine. Okay, that's what I usually do. And then make it default. How do you make it default? Yeah, click home button, then it's gonna make it default, but now because of that, now I have to do it. So here, click the x-axis and you can just expand it, y-axis, and you can do it like that. So it looks like this. And here, do the same thing. Now, it's a negative graph, right? Because if you look at it, look at the PowerPoint. Graph is gonna go look down like that, which means it's gonna be negative. So it's not gonna be A, it's not gonna be D. Answer is gonna be B or C. So let's try B first. Negative 4.9x squared plus 295x plus 0.6. That exactly matches, so I think it's gonna be B, but just in case, let's try C as well. Negative 4.9x squared plus, wait a second, plus 2. Whoa, this one is kind of same, but if you look at it carefully here, do you see if you zoom in, this one is actually off, right? So that's, you might want to be careful, okay? So when you have like some graph looks like this, like looks like it's exactly matching, you might want to zoom in, all right? Just in case. So answer is going to be B because that was a bit off. So same thing for you, that's exponential. It will look like this. So make sure everything matches. Just what you have to know is it's 0.18, right? So initial value is 18, so it can cancel out these two. Answer is going to be the B or D. Or you can just use, A times B to the x power. You know how to find rate, right? Second number divided by first number, like 15 divided by 12.5. You can find it like that, and you can do it by hand. Same thing for this one. It says exponential. So you can do the same thing. Initial value is 0.0625. Oh, this is the only one, so that's going to be the answer. It's quadratic. So first, put this one into the graph and figure out whether it is positive or negative. In the case, by looking at this one, you can cancel out 2 answer choices at least. All right. That one, you're not gonna see this one, so you can delete this question. Here, what's the question saying? Find the rate of change. You know what to do for the rate of change, right? Like this. Not a problem. What about this one? This one, you have to use kind of common sense. It says, based on the table below, which one is the best predict number of the clicks on the advertisement if 1,500 people visit the website? So that's the number of website. So do you see this number is increasing about somewhat same rate like this? So at 1,000 is 60. 1,100, if you increase by about 50, it increased by 3, right? So let's say what if it becomes 1,500? How many people will watch it? It's not gonna be F or H. Is it gonna be F or H? So every 50 people, you get 3 increase. So so it's gonna be 8%, 24. So it's gonna be what, 63 plus 24, so 87, something like that. Whoa, it's gonna be H most likely. Yep. But let's say, here you go. I know you're gonna think like, what are you doing? I was too lazy, I'm sorry. So you just put everything here. 153, 14, 629, 38. 471, 30, 914, 53, 307, 307, 21, 145, 60, 510, 32, and 1006 and 63. And next one, what we want to find is 1500, right? So wait a second, let me zoom out and find the, whoa, okay, where are the points? So I'm not gonna write this point yet. It's it's x value, it is x value. Okay, here we go, I got it. So it looks like this. Let's keep going up like that, right? So now we want to find what's gonna happen if it is 15,000. Like, so your graph should look wait a second, something like that. So let me put it like this, and then, okay, so graph should look like one line. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna first put 1500 and put each one of them 77. Is that gonna look like this? It looks a bit, I mean, it's okay, but it's a bit too off, I think. 137, you don't even see that, it's way up there, so it's not gonna be 137. What about 83? Oh, it's gonna be, looks like one line, so I think it's 83. I was predicted right. What about 105? It's way off. So your reasonable answer is gonna be either 77 like this or 83, but looks like to me 83 is more reasonable, isn't it? So it's gonna be H. So you can use table like this. Now, same thing here. It says what? 25 weeks, right? So the graph looks like this, like that. What's the 25 weeks gonna be? So 18, 20, 25 is gonna be somewhere here, right? So percentage wise, which percent is it gonna be? It should be below 9. So to me, it's not gonna be 8.5. It's not gonna, 2.5 is like here. No, that's too low. 10% here? No, so it's gonna be 6%. So you have to use that kind of common sense. Whenever you see table, usually questions are very easy, so keep that in mind. Yep, put this one. Just look at this one and say which function best models data from 1 to 9. So 1 to 9 about this data, okay? If I were you, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find y-intercept first. What's the y-intercept gonna be when you graph the line like this? It's gonna be somewhere here, something like 85, or not 90. It's somewhere below 89, right? So it cannot be 90. It cannot be 130 because 130 start from here. No, it cannot be 111 because it's gonna be over here as well. So it should be G. So if you graph it, 3.5x plus 85, this y-intercept 85 starts from somewhere here, right? And then graph goes up. That's why it's H. Right, now easy one. Which table shows y as a function of x? In order to be a function, remember x value cannot be repeated. Do you see x value repeated? So this cannot be function. This one does not repeat, so answer is going to be H. This one, -1 repeats, so it's not a function. 0 repeats, it's not a function. Remember, y value can be repeated. It's no problem. Just x value cannot be repeated. 15. Find it. It says which one is a function y as a function of x. So x value cannot be repeated. Which one does not repeat x? Figure it out by yourself. Pause the video, figure it out by yourself. It's gonna be G. Same thing. Which one is this one? Which one is not a function of x? Which means which one has a repeated x value? Find it by yourself. Here. Oh, you're not gonna see this question, so don't worry about it. I mean, yeah. So that's it, guys. I guess it was pretty easy one. And if you have any question, just let me know. Then I'll help you. Okay. Love you guys. See you later.